5:15, the dog decided he wants to be up as well.
Hmm.
Um, and yeah, so I might as well have just gone with because then we
Yeah,
were all awake. But
but
anyway,
see, that's also one of the buying considerations or adopting considerations you need to take into account when you're choosing big dogs versus small dogs.
oh, do small dogs snooze?
Well, if they do poop in the house, it's a lot cleaner to, or it's a lot quicker to clean because it's tiny. It's a tiny poop.
Fair enough, fair enough. Yeah, Monzo, yeah, he's so it's not like it's a big heap. It's like, I mean, he's old. I think it's his hip, so I'm not angry with him. He just needs to get outside quick enough. And if he's outside, everything's okay. But when he's in the house, it's like a little trail of breadcrumbs that you need to follow. But it's not breadcrumbs, it's like a
It's
crumb
poops. Yeah.
that you need to follow and get and clean. So I was
Yeah.
like,
So
I was
you've
so
got like
tired.
you've got like two hand problems. Me, ek het bokdrolletjie probleme. Like it's just like